Yo, what's up guys? Trevor here from Schnitz Racing. We have the bike on the dyno. We're going to be doing some base pulls, see how much horsepower the bike's making as it sits, and then we're going to do our ECU Reflash, our Schnitz ECU Reflash, and see how much horsepower we pick up, and also show you guys where in the curve where we pick up the most horsepower and the benefits of our ECU Reflash. So we're going to go ahead and do some stock pulls, take some videos of that, and then we'll get into it. And yeah, so stay tuned and check this out. All right, guys, so we just got done flashing our ZX-14. We did some dyno pulls, and I'll insert the dyno charts in the video. And as you guys can see, we picked up quite a bit of horsepower. We went from 198 peak horsepower to 205 peak horsepower, which is a pretty big difference. But our ECU Reflashing doesn't just pick up horsepower at the top end, it also picks up throughout the whole RPM range. And that's kind of what it's made to do. We also increased the rev limiter from 11,500. We removed the top speed limiter. We turned the radiator fans, they kick on a little bit sooner, and a few more differences. You can check out the ECU Reflashing and the link in the description. I'll insert it there. These bikes were made to run how this one is right now. It's just, due to emissions and stuff like that, they have to tune them down. But we're super pleased with how this stock bike did on our dyno with our ECU Reflash. So now we're going to go ahead, and in the next video, we're going to take this ugly exhaust off, throw in a new exhaust that Brock sent out. Super excited on that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and make sure to be on the lookout for the next video.